Sushi and I are hanging out at the Lauritzen Garden traditional Japanese festival, and he is playing Pokemon Go. So
yeah,
you can check him out here.
What? No.
So we missed the kendo area, which was pretty cool, it looked like. We came at the very last second, but I do have some footage of some little girl hitting a guy on the head. So I'll throw that up here in a second. And now we had some tea. We had some green tea earlier, and we are going to go watch the drumming and the dancing for the Japanese part at 3 to 3:30. So we'll check that out and keep you posted. These individuals are dancing to a very popular anime called Your Name, but I didn't get the audio, so I'm sorry about that. At the end of the Japanese Ambiance Festival, we were very lucky to have these drummers come in and produce very beautiful music from traditional Japanese drumming, and it was just such a wonderful opportunity to see what goes into it and the hard work. And they did such a great job of actually stopping in between songs to answer questions and talk to people from the audience about their training and everything that went into this. I would have loved to play the actual audio from this, however the bass from the drumming, it didn't go through my GoPro audio very well, so it really sounded like someone punching you in the eardrum, and I did not want to do that to you guys who were watching the video. So hopefully just the video is good enough. You can see that they do dress up and they do play the part really well, and it is very, very, very cool to see. So if you do get the chance to ever come to the Lauritzen Garden and see the Japanese Ambiance Festival, please do. Please check it out. Stay till the end and see these people rock out. Sushi, what'd you think about it?
It was the bomb! Wow!
Well, Sushi had a great time. I had a great time, and I would encourage anyone else, if they would like to go, to please check it out next year. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, please like, please subscribe. It means a lot. Thanks, and have a great day.